Haiti. How are you, brother?
Good yourself.
Tell us a little bit about your coin and where we can find it.
The Little Haiti coin. Little Haiti is a neighborhood in Miami, and we have created a social economic coin. The only way to get the coin is to help to increase the quality of life for the residents of Little Haiti. How? You sponsor the cleanup of 1 square foot of Little Haiti.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
And you get in return 1 Little Haiti coin.
Yeah.
So you increase the quality of life and you get rewarded for it.
That's what we're
And
talking about.
one thing that we do, we give 1 Little Haiti coin to all the residents of Little Haiti.
Yeah.
That way, as the coin is getting value, these residents, they can afford to stay in their area and fight back gentrification.
Now, the last time we interviewed you, you said something really great, and we were talking about the Clintons and their role in Haiti, right?
Yes.
Well, you said something really great about not giving, what was it?
Not falling into hate, but rising above
Yes,
with love.
yes. And not spending money to fund Haiti, but do
To aid Haiti.
Yeah, don't send aid.
Don't
you
send
want
aid
to do
to
business
Haiti.
with
Yeah,
them.
do business with Haiti. Trade with Haiti. When Haiti got their independence in 1804, we represented 1/3 of France's GDP, the mightiest economy in the world. But what had happened is once we got our independence, we got boycotted by all the nations around the world.
Yes.
So without getting too deep into it, Haiti have helped many nations to get their independence. That's why by creating the coin, we say, hey, if Haiti have helped you get freedom, just pay back your debt to Haiti
Yeah.
and invest in the Little Haiti coin, not only to make a difference in Little Haiti, but to enrich yourself for doing something good at the same time.
So basically, they don't want aid. They want business.
Exactly.
Do business with Haiti. We deserve it. The Clintons are garbage. We're not going to put negative energy into that because we don't waste time with that, okay? I want to talk about your coin. Break down your coin for us.
The coin is pretty simple. The largest concentration of iridium in the world. We also our lands are rich in copper. So that's why we have the representation of some of the minerals in Haiti on the shield. But more than the representation, you can get 1 Little Haiti coin by investing to help clean up Little Haiti. That is a neighborhood here in Miami. Show the world that the power of crypto can impact people's life today and increase your wealth tomorrow. Go to littlehaiticoin.com.
Well,
Ça passe!
Ça passe!
La boule!